Welcome to our channel where we provide helpful tips and tricks to enhance your online experience. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of deleting a Gmail account on your Android device. Deleting your Gmail account can be necessary for various reasons, such as switching to another email service or to remove a redundant account. Follow the steps below to learn how to delete your Gmail account on Android. Firstly, open the Settings app on your Android device. Once you're in the settings, go to the Accounts tab. This tab will show you all the accounts that are currently linked to your device. Scroll down to find Gmail, which will be addressed by your email account. Long press on the Gmail account until you see an option to delete or deactivate it. Select the wanted activity, and the phone will delete the account for you. Please note that the exact steps may vary between different Android phones, but the same basic steps are followed on most devices. It's important to keep in mind that deleting a Gmail account will remove all the associated data and emails that are stored in the account. So make sure to back up your important data before proceeding with the deletion process. Also, if you have multiple accounts linked to your phone, make sure you're deleting the correct account. Once you've deleted the account, you won't be able to access any data associated with that account. And that's it! You have successfully deleted your Gmail account on your Android device. Deleting a Gmail account can help you declutter and streamline your email experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.